Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best amazing cordless skill saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER BDCCS20C Cordless Circular Skill Saw. The BLACK+DECKER BDCC 2020 Cordless Skill Saw is accessible to ergonomic saws in the market. The amazing part is that it comes as a battery-free open device. However, it will work like a freebie for everyone with the highest frameworks. It has a wide display of accessible highlights, combining angle change with detonators at every 45 and 90 degrees. This material guarantees that you will get the most exact calculation cut. It has a quick 5.5-inch sharp edge cut, which makes different types of stops predictable at different times without any difficulty. You can appreciate the vitality of cutting from top to bottom without tightening. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita SH02R1 Cordless Circular Saw Kit. Lightweight and small saws will give some materials, by simply cutting pieces like melamine and drywall through compressed wood, MDF, and pegboard. That the rounded efficiency of Makita SH02R1 Cordless Circular Skill Saw. The conservative, only 12 to 3/8 of an inch long and compact projection. With a little 3.5-pound tipping of the scales, that aids in additional weakness, especially those huge benchers. This 12 volts max CTX works with lithium-ion user-friendly slide-style batteries, which gives LED charge level marker light. The 12 volts battery drives at 1500 RPM. The risk base for the angle will be cut from 0 to 45 degrees. And an excellent material working in a dust blower. The user-friendly handle is treated with a delicate grip to a scale. There is no problem with the cutting-edge wrench attached to the cordless skill saw. It assures protection in a battery insurance circuit. That will protect you from overburdening, over-releasing, and overwarming. At number 3, we have the Makita XS02Z Cordless Skills Circular Saw Tool. The Makita XS02Z is cutting the power device at the workplace. It has a fictional high-torque engine and a minimal structure for cutting application opportunities. This will cut the 2X material at 45 degrees. It has built a high-torque engine that produces 3,700 revolutions per minute for fast cutting. It has a user-friendly handle and a rigid guide. It's lightweight at just 7.3 pounds. This not only makes it increasingly versatile and easy to understand, but it also improves your response to cut more straightforward, efficient skills. The battery goes on for a strangely long time. It expects all intent and purpose to replace a cutting edge with a superior tooth tile not to interfere. It just cuts a little more slowly and keeps the runner up, removing the sharp edges a bit faster. At number 2, we have the PORTERCABLE PCC660B Cordless Circular Saw Tool. The PORTERCABLE PCC660B is a traditional amazing cordless skill saw extending with 6.5 saw inches useless and 50-degree inclinations. If you have a flashback, you're not the only one, yet several things set the PORTERCABLE model separated. It's a terrible thing to be grateful for both. On the generous side, it is less expensive, almost a full pound lighter, and its engine can come at 4,000 revolutions per minute. We like extra battery life. This goal monitors little powerhouses that feel no difficulty spending the whole day in forest fields and workshops. Terribly, its industrial advantage has introduced a sharp edge. This is a lot faster than the ideological norm. The cutting edge control is not adjusted just like that. It has a number of wide-ranging issues with quality control, which means you are never entirely sure if you will bring the best to the table. And finally at number 1, we have the Bosch Bare Tool CCS180B Circular Saw Tool. The Bosch Bare Tool CCS180B Cordless Skill Saw is one of the lightest tools on the market. Its reduced structure makes it easy to deal with and move. Moreover, it has remarkable equations, and it feels consistent as it moves along the surface. It is entirely unplanned ferrous metal cutting and neatly planned. It has a 6 to 1/2 inch sharp edge border. It gives the ability to cut pieces at 90 degrees and 1 to 9/16 inch thick material at 50 degrees with 2 inch thick material. Cordless skill saw has been adjusted. It communicates with 3,900 non-hip RPM and weighs just 6.6 pounds from an extraordinary ability to weight ratio. An 18-volt lithium-ion battery supports it. It is suitable for each of the 18-volt devices and chargers. The main problem is that the battery has been removed from the bundle. You need to get it independently. It uses an electronic engine and cell assurance structure with thermal conductive lodging to keep the battery cool. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.